welcome. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our January 2020 standard base box from Boxycharm. That was a mouthful. Anyways guys, this is going to be a try-on video as well, but before we jump into the unboxing, the try-on, the review of the products, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD, and here friends, we embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone, so hopefully this is a channel for you and you decide to stick around by hitting that subscribe button, turning on your notification bell, because I pretty much upload every single day at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, and I'd love to have you as part of our family over here. I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, which will be linked and listed in the description box down below, and I'd love to have you as part of the family over there. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing, the try-on, the review, and everything. Okay guys, so this is my first video filming since everyone went back to school and everyone went back to work. I remember to put my phone on silent, and I'm like, who is this girl? Who is this girl? I'm so proud of myself. However, my phone keeps lighting up because I keep thinking now, I'm like, do the kids need me? Is that the hubs? What's going on? Everything's fine. It's email notifications. Anyways guys, if you are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. Now this particular box is the base box, standard box from Boxycharm, and it will cost you $25 a month, but you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size products that retail for a value of over $125 in this box. Now there are other boxes that they do offer, and I will be unboxing the premium box once it gets here as well, and that is a $35 box. But like I said, this is a $25 a month subscription box, and you guys, if you saw last year, if you've been with me since last year, Boxycharm has been killing it. It's been amazing. Like, they just get better and better and better every single month. And let's just go ahead and jump into it. Like I said, I'm going to be popping up a video on either side of me, maybe over here, and I'll be showing you some of the products. One of them in here, I actually forgot to film putting it on, but I do have it on today, and I actually was sent this. So let me just jump into the box. Okay, so jumping right into it, this is what it's gonna look like when you open it up. Now a lot of you guys always ask me what the size weight of it is, and it actually showed 1.5 pounds. And you always receive a little postcard in here telling you the theme of the box, as well as each item in here and the retail value of it. So here it is up close. This is what it's going to look like, and then the retail value of each item, as well as a little description of everything. And then as far as the variation that you receive is going to be listed right down here, and I have variation too, and like I said, it did weigh 1.5 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into what I have on my eyes. Okay, so the first item we're gonna talk about, and like I said, I will be doing a try-on, so you're gonna see a video pop up over here of me using the palette, but this is from EBATES. Now, as far as the standard base box goes with Boxycharm, you do get to customize one item in the box. And this month we got to choose between 2 EBATES palettes, or Ace Beauty palettes, or you could have chosen the Dr. Brandt Retinol, I think it was like an eye cream. I'll be honest with you guys, I just wanted my box to be a surprise, so I didn't choose anything. But this is the EBATES Scarlet Dusk palette, and it is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I'll have a try-on video over here, how I created this look for you guys. And I tried to use as many of the shades as possible, and I can tell you guys, we've gotten Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette in the past, and I thought it was an absolutely gorgeous palette that we received. The formula is absolutely beautiful. I think that it's very, very easy to work with the mattes as well as the shimmers, and whether you are new to makeup, just starting out, what have you, that you're gonna find this formula to be very, very easy to work with. I am not a makeup artist by any means, and I just do my best. But I can tell you guys, I did not feel like this formula was hard to work with at all. You get a wonderful payoff, and you can build up with the formula and everything. And like I said, I tried to use as many shadows in this palette as possible, and I think the look came out really, really pretty. You guys know I used to work in the corporate world, so I really could not use any like bright colors on my eyelids or lips, and that was fine because I'm pretty neutral. But now that I'm out of the corporate world and working for myself, I absolutely love jumping outside of my comfort zone and using a bunch of different fun colors, which, as you guys see, this palette definitely has those warm, beautiful burnt orange colors and these bright pops of pink. And I created this look and I'm super excited about it. So anyways, guys, like I said, this was one of the choices, and there was another palette by EBATES, and I can't remember the name of that particular palette, but again, it was really pretty. And at the end of the day, guys, just keep reminding yourself that it's just makeup and it washes off. And that's my whole thing. When I started dabbling more back into color and everything, I just kept saying, girl, if you don't like it, it washes off. It's not that serious. So anyways, guys, really excited about this palette. Like I said, it does have a retail value of $34.99. And as far as ingredients goes, on the back, the #1 ingredient is mica. It does have a net weight of 15.6 grams. Each pan has 0.55 ounces, a 12-month expiration, and it does say it's a cruelty-free product made in the PRC. So, moving on from there, we did receive the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Now, this does have a retail value of $36, and I can tell you that Wonder Beauty was kind enough to send me this little duo sometime last year, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it's actually the one that is in my Boxycharm. So this will be going into a giveaway, but this is in the shade Daiquiri and the shade Tulium, I think is how you say it. I'm not for sure, but it's a really pretty bronzer and a really pretty blush. And like I said, I do have both on today, and I love the formula. You guys know I love Wonder Beauty. I know some people are like, oh, Wonder Beauty. It's amazing. You guys know I love the Glotion, and I love the bronzer, and I love this blush. And just go in really light-handed. If you are a little bit fairer than me and you happen to get these shades, just go in really light-handed, dab your blush brush on the back of your hand, and then you can just lightly hit the apples of your cheeks or a little higher up, however, wherever you like to apply your blush. But it's really pretty, and it builds up, blends out very, very easily. And like I said, retail value $36. Next, you're gonna see I did apply this. This is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. First of all, can we just talk about this precious box? Like, how cute is that? I mean, this is how it's packaged, and then when you flip it up, boom, inside is the little highlighter. And this one is the Canary Diamond. You're gonna see a video pop up over here, me applying it just with a Morphe. This is the R36 brush, and I just went ahead and I put it underneath my brow for a brow bone highlight. But it is absolutely beautiful. It's a duochrome, and I'll be honest with you guys, at first I was like, I don't think this is gonna work for my skin tone. But it does. It's really pretty, and it's almost like a really pretty blush topper. I could easily go in with a brighter highlighter, but I actually really like the way that this looks. So very happy about that, and it does have a retail value of $36. It says this is a one-of-a-kind highlighter infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. So I know that there was, I think, 3 different ones that you could receive in your box, and like I said, very, very happy with this. Okay, next, you're actually not going to see me applying this one because I did not want to open this. I already have like a deluxe size sample already open from like an add-on or something. So this is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love this. Now, there are 2 sizes, and I think that some people were getting a little thrown off, but if you go to Sephora's website, you'll see that there is this particular one that is 1 full ounce, and then there is a larger one. This is the one that retails for $22, and a little bit about this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It says it is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. The pillow-proof formula acts as a radiant boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs. that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. And like I said, it has a retail value of $22, and I can testify that this is a wonderful, wonderful sleeping mask. I will tell you guys, I have kind of normal to somewhat dry skin right now with the winter, and then using more retinol products. But in the summertime, when I have more of an oily T-zone, this is wonderful. So I think if you have really oily skin, you're gonna love this all year around. And you know, if you're like me and you have normal to dry skin right now, I still use this, but then I put a thicker moisturizer on top, and I have to say, your skin, you will wake up and it'll be so soft and plump feeling. I absolutely love it. I actually used mine last night. Not this one, like I said, my little tiny one. And your skin, you wake up and it's just so refreshed and beautiful looking, feeling, everything. So super, super happy to see more and more of this glow recipe in our box. Okay, so the last but not least item that we did receive, and this is by Grande Lash, and this is the Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. I did apply this today. You'll see a video popping up over there. I'll be honest with you guys know I'm all about my L'Oreal primer, so I do have some primer on, and then I only did like 1 or 2, maybe 2 coats with this mascara, but I think it was just 1. And I have to say, very natural, very lightweight, kind of reminds me of like the Brush Wand to the Better Than Sex mascara, but I haven't had any flaking or anything. Very comfortable. And I will say, my lashes feel like really light. They're not crunchy, they feel very natural. And there's actually castor oil in here, so that only helps our lashes as far as that goes. It does have a retail value of $25. I feel that this is very comfortable, and like I said, there's no flaking thus far. So anyways, guys, like I said, this variation 2 box did weigh 1.5 pounds. A grand total of everything in this box came to $153.99. Remember, this box is $25, and you're guaranteed at least $125 worth of products. And this particular box, we got $153.99 worth of product in here. What I love about Boxycharm, guys, is this gives you a way to really grow your collection. I mean, think about it. If you were to purchase each of these items individually, you're looking at over $153. But $25 and you get all of these products in here. It's a great way to not only grow your collection, but give it as a gift. Even if it's just for like a month, give this as a gift. Who would not love to add to their collection like this? I mean, these are amazing, amazing products. So anyways, friends, this is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. Make sure to click that notification bell, because once I get the premium box in, I will definitely be uploading a video showing you everything in my box. And until next time, friends, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.